It's been almost 2 years since DJI launched their first action cam, and they're likely to launch the next generation version of it very soon. According to recent leaks, the new action cam is expected to come up with a whole new modular design, improved lens quality, versatile mounting options, and many more. However, as GoPro recently introduced the Hero 10 with some mind-blowing upgrades, will DJI be able to place the Action 2 amongst the best action cams? In today's video, we'll be showing you the upcoming upgrades of Action 2 and its launching day. So without further ado, let's dive in. Popular YouTube vlogger Peter McKinnon recently leaked the packaging of DJI's most anticipated action cam, the Action 2. Though Peter McKinnon blurred that portion later, Mo Kay spotted it and posted the picture on Twitter. This certainly created a massive hype, as the packaging shows the whole new redesign of the camera. Previously, Jasper Ellens shared a 3D render of the camera, which seems quite identical to the packaging picture. The picture shows the camera sits right between the form factor of Insta360 and GoPro 10. Besides, you can also compare it with the GoPro Session Series or Insta360 ONE R, as they seem similar as well. So the specs that Jasper Ellens shared might turn out to be true as well. From his shared pictures, we can see some worthy upgrades. The major upgrade is likely to be a larger 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor that covers an area of 43 square millimeters, almost 1.45 times larger than the 29 square millimeters of the GoPro Hero 10 sensor. The bigger sensor means higher performance, better low-light captures, and many more. Though we won't be seeing the 5.3K video support like the GoPro 10, the Action 2 will allow you to capture 4K resolution videos at 120 frames per second and 1080p's at 240 frames per second. DJI is likely to offer versatile mounting accessories with the Action Cam, as its modular and compact design is likely to make it perfect for vlogging. There's likely to be a magnetic lanyard that will allow you to capture hands-free footage, and a magnetic adapter mount that would support ball joint mounting as well. From the pictures, the weight of the camera is shown as only 56 grams, making it suitable for drone or FPV shots. Besides, there will be a 155-degree field of view and a locked f2.8 aperture. Combining with the wide ISO range, the Action Cam is expected to capture incredible shots at night. Meanwhile, DJI is also likely to upgrade the stabilization with the Rocksteady 2.0 that combines IES with complex algorithms to deliver stable, shake-free footage. Moreover, we might also see a Horizon Steady technology, which means the camera might be able to capture with a full 360-degree rotation while on the move, and the camera is expected to be fully waterproof and can be submerged up to 10 meters underwater. You'll also find a case that will allow you to take the camera up to 60 meters underwater without any damage. From the packaging, you might have also noticed that DJI has removed the Osmo branding like they have done with quite some of their products now. So the Action 2 is what we are likely to see, and it's expected to feature a 580 mAh battery capacity, which can deliver up to 52 minutes of continuous working time. The camera can also be attached with an external battery pack that can deliver a runtime of a massive 195 minutes. According to DroneXL, the DJI Action Cam is likely to be released on the 27th of October, which isn't too far, and DJI might launch 2 different combo packs for the camera. You can either choose to have a dual-screen combo containing a lens and the display, or the power pack combo that comes with the lens and external battery pack module. And the price of this Action Cam is expected to be within $400 to $500 based on the combo packs. With all these feature upgrades, the Action 2 is certainly going to give tough competition to the GoPro and Insta Action Cam. What do you think of this new camera from DJI? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more awesome content like this on your feed.